guys! Today, I'll show you how to get Alight Motion on your iOS device for free using an APK style method. The process is straightforward, and I've prepared step-by-step instructions to guide you through it. As you can see, I already have it installed on my iPhone. The app is working flawlessly, so if you want to learn how to download it for yourself, stick around until the end of the video and follow along. First, we need to adjust a few settings. Open your device's settings and navigate to battery. Make sure low power mode is turned off to avoid performance issues with the app. Next, return to the main settings menu, go to General, and select Background App Refresh. Ensure that it's enabled for Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data to let the app run smoothly in the background. With the settings adjusted, let's move on to the download process. Now, open your browser and visit appbinge.com, a trusted platform for modded apps. Type Alight Motion into the search bar and select it from the results. You'll be directed to a page with detailed information, including download stats and users' reviews. Click the Download Now button to begin the installation. The process is quick, and you should see a confirmation message once it's done. If the confirmation doesn't appear, it could mean you'll need to download some free additional files to verify. But don't worry, this step is easy too, and the website provides detailed instructions to walk you through it. After completing it, the system will finalize the installation. I've tested the method myself, and it works perfectly. And that's it. That's everything you need to know to successfully download Alight Motion for your iPhone or iPad. Thank you for tuning in and watching till the end. If you found this tutorial helpful and everything works as expected, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. If you have any questions or run into issues, drop a comment below, and I'll be glad to help. Thanks again, and I'm looking forward to see you in my next video.